Your dental dreams start here. Study BDS in Bangladesh.
Thinking about studying MBBS or BDS abroad? Bangladesh could be the best option for you. If you are a foreign citizen to Bangladesh, you can grab this opportunity of direct admission in world standard MBBS or BDS courses into Bangladeshi government medical and dental colleges under SARC and non-SARC quota, private medical and dental colleges under foreign quota.
Assalamu alaikum, dear students and parents. This is Anwar Murshid from Bangladesh Study Center Dhaka office. In the last 10 years, we have served about 1,000 foreign students through our consultancy firm. We provide MBBS and BDS admission into 20 plus medical and dental colleges of Bangladesh. Connect with us for MBBS and BDS eligibility assessment, complete admission and visa support. You will get accurate and up-to-date information and dedicated service from our agency.
You can study and live here in Bangladesh at internationally recognized medical or dental colleges at an affordable cost. We are the experienced, trustworthy and pioneer medical admission consultant based in Dhaka, Bangladesh.
Reserve your MBBS and BDS seat at your preferred college through us and get continuous support during your stay in Bangladesh. Bangladesh Study Center, University Application Service for international students.
Feel free to contact us +88 01 712 86 2669.